A smoke detector like this one is going to run you about $20 at most stores, but if this is something you can't afford, the fire department will provide one for free. And for a good reason. The Omaha Fire Department says you'd be surprised how many homes they're called to that don't have functioning alarms. With the rash of recent house fires, Wednesday's killing a young couple in South Omaha, firefighters want to emphasize how important detectors are and on every level of your home.
It's very easy to see that, or maybe smell the smoke, see the smoke, but at night when you're sleeping, you're not going to, so you need that alarm to awaken people and get out.
For more information and to request a smoke detector, just head to omaha-fire.org. In downtown, Camilla Ortiz, KETV Newswatch 7.